Despite finding potentially $83 billion in gold, China will still need to import massive amounts of the precious metal each year. The paradox behind this supergiant discovery reveals something fascinating about global economics. Geologists in China's Hunan province just uncovered what they're calling a supergiant gold deposit, potentially the world's largest precious metal find ever. Their 3D models estimate a staggering 1,100 tons of gold ore buried up to 9,800 feet beneath the Wanggu goldfield. To understand this depth, imagine stacking 3 Empire State Buildings on top of each other and then drilling even deeper. Initial drilling has already confirmed about 330 tons in 40 distinct gold veins at 6,600 feet down. But what makes geologists particularly excited isn't just the size, but the quality. These veins contain an exceptional 138 grams of gold per metric ton of ore. As one prospecting expert noted, many drilled rock cores showed visible gold, something rarely seen in modern mining operations where gold is typically microscopic. If confirmed, this single deposit would eclipse South Africa's South Deep mine, currently the world's largest at 1,025 tons. For perspective, all human civilization has mined approximately 233,000 tons of gold throughout history, with 2/3 of that extracted just since 1950. But here's where the economic puzzle emerges. China, despite being the world's top gold producer at 10% of global output, consumes 3 times more gold than it mines annually. Even this massive discovery represents just a fraction of China's long-term gold needs. This explains why global markets reacted so strongly to the news, with gold prices climbing to $2,700 per ounce. Investors recognize that rather than flooding the market, this find will likely just reduce China's substantial import dependency. What makes this discovery particularly significant is that additional gold has been detected in peripheral drilling areas, suggesting the deposit may extend even further than current estimates indicate. The discovery highlights a fascinating reality of modern resource economics. Even finding the world's largest gold deposit doesn't necessarily change a country's position in the global market when domestic consumption outpaces production so dramatically.